having a dialogue or debate with a priest while I was quoting the Bible in Deuteronomy, chapter number 23, verse number 2, which says, the dash, I don't want to say the word, the dash, shall not enter the congregation until the 10th generation. If you want to know the exact word, I'll just give a small, brief joke that when there was a party going on, everyone who wanted something on the table did some rhyming. So the Duke said, Queen so fine, pass the wine. So one person whose English pronunciation is not bad, and he wanted to have some custard. So he said, Duke the dash, pass the custard. So now you know what the word is. If you don't know, you can refer to the Bible. It is mentioned 3 times. And Salman Rushdie used that word 29 times. 29 times. Imagine. And the irony is that the British government speaks of freedom of speech. According to an article in the Daily News in London, 22nd of May, 1989, there was a big article called for ban. Ban for whom? Not for Salman Rushdie. Call for ban for Mickey. He was an actor from America. Mickey, he came and he used the 4-letter word for the policies of Margaret Thatcher. I'm sure you don't want me to repeat that 4-letter word. It is father, uncle, cousin, king. Still, if you don't know, ask the person who knows. He used that 4-letter word to describe the policies of Margaret Thatcher, and the MPs, the Tories of that parliament, they said, call for ban. Now, Salman Rushdie uses that same word, but makes it active, adding ing. 4-letter, he makes it 7-letter. And in one paragraph, on page number 270, in one paragraph, he uses that word 4 times. 4-letter word, ing, making it active, describing the activities of Margaret Thatcher, and it goes down the throat of the Britishers. Why this biasness?